Learning data analytics is hard. With all the different tools out there and the effort required to learn them, it can be easy to plateau or even give up. But there are ways to make it easier and to dramatically increase the likelihood of succeeding in the skills required. Hi, I'm Matt Mike with Maven Analytics. We've helped over 1 million people learn data analytics, and today I'm going to share why so many people struggle to stick with it. Let's dive in. The first reason is lack of accountability. A study by the Association for Talent Development showed that those who have someone holding them accountable are 95% more likely to achieve their goal. So right off the bat, we see that the research shows accountability works. Many of us learn through self-paced courses, and self-paced courses are great. They're accessible, convenient, and flexible, but without accountability, it can be easy to skip days or weeks without realizing how much time has gone by. Or we can fall into a cycle of starting but not finishing courses or projects. I know I've been there many different times where I start something, life gets in the way, and then I don't realize how much time has passed, I lose motivation, and then I have to start all over again or drop it completely. When there's no one there to check on your progress, it's easy to forget how much time has passed without making meaningful strides. But what does accountability look like? Well, accountability can mean a coach, a peer group, a community, perhaps some sort of deadline or goal to help put a little bit of positive pressure to help you reach that goal sooner. When the stakes are higher or we have more people involved in what we're doing, it gives us that extra motivation to stick with what we're doing. And like I mentioned in the study I quoted earlier, it's a 95% increase in likelihood that you'll stick with that goal by having some accountability. The second reason is a lack of structure. Many people get stuck in what I call course purgatory, taking course after course or watching video after video without making any substantial progress in what you're learning. This is especially true if 100% of your learning is done through standalone videos or something that's free, something like YouTube. Now, don't get me wrong, YouTube is incredible. It is a super valuable resource. There's so much you can learn there. Obviously, this is a YouTube video, so I hope you're getting a lot of value out of this right now. But although free content is fantastic, it often lacks a cohesive roadmap to keep you going. We often need structure to guide us through a logical progression. Structure also gives us confidence that we're heading in the right direction toward our goals. And that confidence ultimately keeps us going. And self-paced learning can work really well if it's paired with a structured plan. Whether that's outlining clear goals for a topic or course, setting milestones to ensure you're progressing, and even combining courses with hands-on practice to add that practical application to what you're learning. And when it comes to having those goals for your learning, I often find that what helps is taking a big goal and breaking it into smaller goals to give myself quicker wins. It helps me to see that I'm making progress, and it gives me that extra motivation to keep going. And the third point we'll cover today is lack of community. It's difficult to learn in a vacuum. Community provides camaraderie, which makes it easier because you're learning together. Think about when you were in high school or university. Even if you didn't like what you were learning or it was really hard, you had people there to talk to, learn from, bounce ideas off of, or even just have someone to commiserate with if you were both really struggling. This is the power of community. Knowing that others are going through the same challenges as you and learning the same material can be incredibly motivating. Community helps you to get your questions answered and can help you move through difficult phases in the learning process. And when you're learning alone, you don't have access to this resource, at least not as easily. Even those who thrive in a self-paced environment can benefit from joining a community. Whether that's a discussion board or a forum like Reddit or a private Slack or Discord community, or even social media groups or local meetups where you can connect with your peers. And if you're looking for a program that provides structure, accountability, and community, then I'd highly recommend checking out one of Maven's 10-week immersive programs. These are live, skill-specific cohorts taught by experts in the field. We hold these all throughout the year, every year, but our next Power BI and Python immersives are starting on January 28th and 29th. You'll also be given a year of pro subscription access to the entire Maven Analytics platform and our entire course catalog for enrolling. Check out a link in the description of the video if this sounds like it's for you and you're ready to check it out. I hope this video helped you find ways that you can learn data analytics better so that you can have more success in your learning journey. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.